I'm going to show you how to prepare avocado almond parathas. Avocado and almond, they have a natural oil in them to make these parathas soft enough. And I simply love buttery avocado. And let me show you how quick and easy it is to prepare avocado parathas. First, I'm going to prepare the avocado mixture. Now, I love to have that nice bright green color of the parathas, so I prefer to add some other green ingredients like coriander leaves, which is hara dhania, gives amazing flavor and the color. Into the blender cup, take ginger, garlic and green chili, coriander leaves, hara dhania, salt to taste, a teaspoon of lemon juice. Take ripe avocado, cut avocado and add right into the blender cup and blend to a smooth paste. Like so. Look at nice green looking avocado mixture. Into the mixing bowl, take 1 cup of chapati atta, stone ground wheat flour, less than quarter cup of almond meal if available. If you do not have almond meal on hand, you can just simply add flour as needed while preparing the dough. Here I have cumin, coriander and carom seeds ground. I always keep this pre-mixed especially for parathas. Dhania, jeera, ajwain, turmeric powder, haldi. Mix all dry ingredients really well. Alright. Next, add avocado mixture. You may need a little bit more flour to adjust the consistency of the dough. I prefer to make firm dough, easy to roll kind of a dough. Here I have some dry flour, extra if needed, and start kneading the dough. No water and oil needed. Smells so good here. And the dough is coming together nicely, quickly. And to me, the dough looks just fine, but I'm just going to sprinkle a little bit of flour to make the rolling process easier. And this is how the dough should be, not too soft, not too hard, like so. Do not let the dough rest. Start making the parathas immediately. If you allow it to rest, it will get more soft, which you don't want that to be happen. So divide the dough into about a lemon size of a balls. All right. And now start rolling the parathas. Here I have some dry flour. Take one ball at a time and start rolling. Take the help of the dry flour as needed and roll gently like so. And I'm going to roll the remaining parathas. In fact, this is the perfect recipe to prepare when you have some leftover guacamole. I understand that guacamole is almost everyone's favorite, very popular, and gets finished quickly, whether it's a party or even at home. But just in case if you have some leftover guacamole, making paratha is the great way to use up some leftover guacamole. Now let's heat up the pan on a medium heat to roast parathas. When the pan is warm enough, start roasting the parathas and roast parathas on both sides until few brown specks. When you see few bubbles, flip the paratha and bake on the other side. As you can see, very light brown specks. Now parathas can be roasted just like as it is without any oil or ghee. As you can see, it already looks great. Let's check the other side. Alright, so this is how I want. As you can see, brown, light brown color. Now keep roasting again on both sides and keep flipping and pressing. This process is very important when baking, when roasting parathas. It allows to give that kind of a texture to parathas when you keep pressing, and it helps to bake them evenly. So this paratha here is without any oil. Of course, natural oil from the avocado, and also almonds have natural oil in it. I simply love the color. It has retained the color really well, and now no need to worry whether avocado will change the color because the parathas are roasted now. I take my time to roast parathas really well so that they stay longer. At room temperature even I can store up to 3 days. And now here I have laid the paper towel and bring out, and I'm going to roast the remaining parathas. And I like my parathas bit of a crispy. Some parathas may puff as well, but just keep pressing. I mean, nothing wrong with them puffing a little bit. It's just that it's hard to roast evenly, so just keep pressing. Let parathas cool down before storing them into the container. To me personally, parathas taste the best when they are warm. So it is a great idea to reheat the parathas if possible before serving. Just lightly reheat them in a pan to bring that freshness back again. But if not, they taste just amazing even at the room temperature. So perfect for traveling as well. Look at the yummy looking parathas, and I am so ready to bite into them. Now these parathas can be eaten just as it is. I love to eat them with masala chai in the morning, and as I said earlier, they stay pretty good, so you can store them at the room temperature for up to 3 days and enjoy anytime. Or you can serve with some sauce, ketchup, pickle, raita, like a yogurt based dip. So just serve however you like. I already know how good they are, but trust me, I can just eat this parathas just as it is without anything. So these are perfect for a lunch box as well. I hope you enjoyed watching this video making of avocado almond parathas. Please do like and comment below, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for new recipe videos every week. You can visit my website bhavnaskitchen.com for new recipe tips, tricks and ideas in the kitchen. You can follow me on Facebook, Twitter, Instagram. Pinterest. Bhavna's Kitchen is everywhere. You can watch me on a big TV screen using Roku, Amazon Fire,
or if you have a smart TV, just YouTube app itself, you can download Bhawna's Kitchen apps totally free on your iOS, Android, and many other mobile devices. And please friends, if you like this video, please do share with your friends and family. Thanks for watching and see you soon.